Welcome back. In this video, we're going to quickly take a look at how Google Trends work and what's the best way to go about. This is your first market research tool and it's very easy to use. So let's quickly jump over to the My SME Manual. We're going to now scroll down to the table of contents and we're going to jump to industry trends at 1.2.1. Above that, you'll see we just completed our economic engine to see whether the business idea is a good idea or not. So let's now look at Google Trends. So I've added the link here, which we're going to follow just now. You can then scroll down and the instruction here is to basically use 3 to 5 keywords and then compare the keywords to each other to see which keywords are trending and which keywords are not trending. I'm going to start off by saying, let's say men's shoes. That's going to be my first keyword that I want to check out. Then the second keyword will be men's leather shoes. I'm going to take a look at men's sport shoes to just get an idea of what's more popular. And I might even do a search for men's custom shoes. So let's start with those 4 keywords and see what we can find. You can then go up to the Google Trends link, hit Control, click on the link, and it should open up on your browser. Right, now you're on Google Trends and very easily you can just navigate to explore topics at that search bar, and we're going to start off with men's shoes. When you select your keyword, always look for search term. That is the most relevant market research that you want to take a look at, not anything else like topic or the other options out there. Let's stick with men's shoes, search term. So if I click on that, it's going to open up on my Google Trends and we're going to see what has happened over the past 12 months. You can see it's trending fairly consistently. I like to do a 5-year search to see what the options are out here, and there you can see it's going fairly consistent. Right. I want to continue now and compare a couple of trends to men's shoes. So let's go over and say men's leather shoes. And if I scroll down, it's going to show you what the trend differences are when it comes to men's leather shoes. Let's compare men's sport shoes. Again, we're going to look for search term. Also hovering there with the leather shoes. And let's say the last keyword. Let's just take a look. Men's custom shoes. I'm going to copy that one over as a search term and see what we get. And this gives you an idea. There's not a lot of trending searches when it comes to men's shoes other than just men's shoes. That's trending fairly well. But if that search term is now compared to men's leather shoes, sport shoes, custom shoes, there's not a lot happening on Google Trends. So that's not necessarily a good thing, but we can work with that. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot and I'm going to open up on my Paint. When I'm on the Paint app, I can just Control V, which means I'm going to paste my picture right there and I'm going to crop. Ultimately, I want to keep the data on my manual that I know exactly. Oopsie, let's just start that again. So I want to complete the data on my manual in order to make sure that I remember exactly what's happening in the market for when I want to come and do research in the future again. I want to remember what I did. Right, so we're going to crop. I'm going to create a nice little barrier over my image. I'm going to save it. I'm saving it on my desktop over here, so I'm going back to my image. I'm going to copy it over, and on my practical guide, on my SME Manual, I'm going to go to the paste here option. I'm going to delete the paste here with the arrow, and I'm going to paste my Google Trends. And there I've got the trends in the market to see what's happening in the market and the industry, right? So there you have it in a nutshell. That's how you use Google Trends. This will now give you a very good idea of what's trending in the market and where your dips are at certain times of the season. I will see you guys in the next video.